Hi guys! So try natin to. My future life prediction. Married, 3 years, 2 kids, bought a car, own a house, save over 100 million, started a company, went bankrupt. Grabe! Ano yun? Pinasaya muna bago bankrupt at the end? Kaloka to. Pwede bang bumalik? Ayan. 3 years, 2 kids. So, married muna pala. And then, yung 3 years. And then, after 5 years later, 3 years, 2 kids. And then, after 10 years, bought a car. Ano kayang car? Sana naman yung luxury car, di ba? And then, owns a house after 20 years. Kaloka. And then, save over 100 million. Dollars ba to o peso? Ano sa tingin mo? And then, started a company. Ano kayang company? No? Sana yung apparel o kaya food o yung nga restaurant or ano pa bang hilig ko, travel and tours, ayan. Tapos bankrupt at the end. Sakit naman. 'Di ba? O 'di ba ang ganda, 'di ba? Sunod-sunod, 'di ba? Kasi yung married ka, tapos magkakaroon ka ng 2 children, lalaki kaya o babae? Yun nga, sabi ko nga, yung car, luxury, tapos own a house. Ano yun? Mansion ba yung house? Hindi natin na-mention kanina. Mansion, basta mansion Tapos nakasave tayo ng 100 million. Di nga lang natin sure kung peso o dollar. Mas maganda kung dollar, 'di ba? Ayun na nga. Pero yun nga, sana kung may company tayo, ayan nga. Kaya nalulugi yung ibang company kasi hindi nakatutok yung owner. Dapat talaga nakatutok ka, focus, ganon. Kaya ayan, pag hindi ka focus at hindi ka nakatutok sa company, hinahayaan mo lang iba-iba ang nag-manage ng company mo, talagang mababankrupt ka. So, wag niyong hayaan yun, guys, na mangyari sa inyo yun, na mabankrupt kayo. Lalo na kung nag-start kayo ng company, dapat nakatutok kayo. So, ayan guys. So, antayin ko yung sa inyo. Comment down below. Alright guys. Thank you guys for watching. See you again next time. Bye!